Hey guys, this is Crypto Voice and welcome to my channel. As this is the first video of my channel, YouTube channel, so I want to dedicate this video to all the newbies out there who want to get into cryptocurrency. So I am just making a quick tutorial to how to get into cryptocurrency if you don't know anything about cryptocurrency. So the very first thing to do is to buy and purchase the Bitcoin on any other cryptocurrency like Litecoin, Ethereum. So Coinbase is the best place to buy cryptocurrency around it around the world. It also has a mobile wallet, so you can easily install in your mobile phone, Android or iOS. So the very first thing is to make an account on Coinbase. In Coinbase, you have to verify your account and you have to add your bank account details and your credit debit card details in order to buy Bitcoin. Another place to buy Bitcoin is from localbitcoin.com, which obviously you have to send to your wallet. So I would suggest that you first have some Bitcoin wallet. For that, you have to use Coinbase and use it as a Bitcoin wallet if you don't want to purchase directly from Coinbase. So you can purchase from local Bitcoin and send your Bitcoin to Coinbase and store your Bitcoin there. Then comes there is another website, cex.io, and I very much like this website. So you can purchase Bitcoin from cex.io as well. You have to register and verify your account similarly like you did in Coinbase. You have to verify your bank account, you have to add your debit and credit card information here, and after that you can deposit. So this is my account, so I can show you one small tutorial. First of all, you have to click on the deposit button, and then it will take you to the deposit window. As you can see that it's giving three options. One is Visa, MasterCard, bank transfer, and crypto capital. So the Visa card and MasterCard option is selected by default. So if you click next, then it will show you your saved account, safeguard over here, and you can use this card to buy and purchase Bitcoin. Another thing I need to mention here is that the daily and monthly limit. The daily limit to buy is 1000 USD and monthly limit is 3000 USD. So this limit can exceed if you verify your account with level 2 verification. My account is not verified with level 2 verification. The daily trends of cryptocurrency on coinmarketcap.com, and here you can see all the cryptocurrency daily trends. So what the daily trend is, you can click on any cryptocurrency and you can check what's the price in US dollars. Plus it will show you the graph and chart of the overall trend. Here you can see it's selected all, so it's showing all the trend from way back in April 2013 till now. So you can select any of these options like 1-day chart, 7-day chart, 1 month trend, 3 months trend, 1 year. Also you can check one thing is that historical data. It will show you the historical price data of all time, and it will tell you when the market is open at what price in US dollars. Similarly, what was the highest price, what was the lowest, and what was the close price of the market. And here you can see the volume, what was the volume of buy and sell orders daily. On February 15, you can see it's around 9 billion US dollars, the Bitcoin uh, trading volume. And this was the market cap recorded as per February 15. So you can also select all time, and you can select and see all the data from right from the beginning. So you can scroll down and see the data. Actually, coin market cap was made in 2013, so it's showing data from 2013. Then there is another thing in coin market cap is that you can see the markets. In the market tab, you can see all the exchanges from where you can buy Bitcoin, or you can exchange Bitcoin with other altcoins. So you can see all these. These are all exchanges from where you can exchange BTC with other altcoins. So there are so many of these exchanges. So this is very good for example, if you want to buy any new cryptocurrency, then you have to check on which exchange it is available. For example, let me select from the recent cryptocurrencies. Let's see, like V Power. So V Power is available on these five exchanges. So you can purchase V Power from these five exchanges, and this is the volume. So this is how you can buy all the cryptocurrencies, and you can check on which exchange the cryptocurrency is available, and you can transfer your Bitcoin to that exchange, and then you trade your Bitcoin with these altcoins, and you get these altcoins in that exchange wallet. So also one thing that I will suggest is that do make your exchange do install Google Authenticator, and enable two-factor authentication in every exchange that you keep your money on. And I would recommend you to purchase hardware wallet. Let me show you Ledger Nano S. So you can purchase Ledger Nano S, which is a hardware cryptocurrency wallet, and it stores Bitcoin and all the major currencies like Litecoin, Ethereum, and the best part of Ledger Nano S is that it is the best and unhackable cryptocurrency wallet out there, and it will cost you around 120 US dollars at maximum. So I would suggest you guys to purchase this Ledger Nano S cryptocurrency hardware wallet, and it works with Google Chrome apps, and in App Store you can purchase the apps of Ledger Nano S. For example, Bitcoin has a separate app, Ethereum has a separate app, so it works with Ledger Nano S hardware wallet. Then another thing that I wanted to show you is that there is another site which shows the cryptocurrency trends, and this site is lifecoinwatch.com. I personally like this website because it refreshes the data very often. So you can see that it's refreshing after every 2 seconds. It's refreshing the live rates, and it's showing the graph. So you can change the theme, and you can customize it, and when you sign up for this live coin watch. Also you can there in this website you have a option of virtual wallet. So in virtual wallet you can add your cryptocurrencies and see what's your portfolio is being like. So I suggest you also make an account in Lifecoin Watch and explore it, and you will find the benefits of it. Then another thing is this, that most of the newbies, they don't even know that actually when many few people know that about Bitcoin, and many few know about Ethereum and Ripple, because these are the major cryptocurrencies in the world. So most of the people may know these currencies, but many newbies, they don't know other cryptocurrencies. So there are so many cryptocurrencies. As you can see that right now it's around 1542 cryptocurrencies available, and 8896 total exchanges on which they are available. So you can you can see where the cryptocurrency market is going. So in order to detect and in order to check what are the upcoming cryptocurrencies where you guys can invest, you have to check a website like icodrops.com. Here you can see and check the upcoming ICOs or upcoming cryptocurrencies, where you can search on each and every cryptocurrency of your liking. You can search about their team, what they are doing, their technology, and if you feel like, then you can invest. For example, this arc block is just an example. So yeah, you can see the hype rate is very high, risk is normal, return on investment rate is very high. So you can pick up the ICOs and you can invest before the ICOs coming to the exchanges. In this way, the benefit is this, that you can get the best price possible for many upcoming cryptocurrencies, and there is a lot of risk involved. So I would suggest that there are also many scam ICOs. So you should be careful about selecting ICOs. The Crypto Voice official account details, you can follow me on my Steemit account. We have a official Telegram channel, and also if you have any queries, you want to discuss anything, you can email me at cryptoarrow@gmail.com, which is my business email account, and you can follow me on Twitter. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please subscribe.